After all these years, will you marry me again?
No, I can't do this anymore. I wanted something big, something that proves you still fight for me, not just another ring on the same old beach. I'm tired of ordinary promises.
Dad, I saw what happened. Don't cry. Please. I know where to find the biggest pearl in the ocean. The one they call Ocean's Heart. It's legendary. We get it for her.
You really think?
We dive tomorrow. Together.
The pearl is near an old wreck. Legend says it's guarded by the sea itself.
Then we face the sea. For your mom. Ready, champ? For mom.
Let's go!
There, the glow. It's the pearl.
Son, that's not just any wreck.
Dad, we found the Titanic. And the pearl, it's inside.
Then we go in, carefully. Stay close, champ. We're going in.
Dad, look at this place. It's huge, like a palace.
This is it, son. We rebuild this room for your mom, her underwater palace. Son, this isn't just a room anymore. This will be her home, our surprise underwater palace for mom.
She's gonna cry happy tears, Dad.
This room is perfect, but we can't work in water. We pump it out.
Like a giant vacuum. We seal it and drain it. It's working, Dad.
This thing has a mind of its own! Real air! Look at this place, son. We're really you. You look like a giant cotton ball. This fan will dry the cabin faster.
I'll turn it on, Dad.
And... Oh! It's too strong! This thing has more power than you! Thanks for the new hat, kid. All right, let's get this wall cleared.
I'm on it.
Good work. Keep pulling.
Almost done.
Perfect. The wall is clear.
We did it.
All right, sweep from the center outwards.
Okay, like this?
Perfect. Keep going. You're a great helper. All right, let's bag this mess.
You got it.
Slow down, Speed Demon. You're sanding the air now.
I'm helping.
All right, let's make this floor shine.
Okay, I'm ready.
That's it. Keep going.
Wow, it's so shiny. Ow, ow.
Careful, champ. That's gonna hurt tomorrow.
I'm okay, but that was hot.
Now you're a white cat and a white ghost. You okay, little ninja?
Yeah, but that roll fights back.
All right, son. Let's get this heavy membrane unrolled.
Okay, Dad, I'm ready. It's so heavy.
You're doing great. Almost there.
We did it.
Now it really looks like her.
Mom would love this.
You're braver underwater than with a nail gun. That's my boy.
Ready to finish the room?
You bet. Let's get these panels up. Wow, it's looking great.
We did it. The whole room.
My little light bulb. I overdid too. Easy there, slippery feet. We're varnishing the floor, not ice skating.
But look how shiny it is, Dad. Mom's gonna love walking on this.
Steady there, little helper. We don't want another Titanic moment.
Sorry, Dad, but look, the stairs are starting to shine again.
Almost there, just a little higher.
I got it, pulling hard.
Easy now, don't let it swing too much.
It's so pretty, look at the lights.
Perfect. Good job, team. There you are. I almost called an exorcist. The canopy won that round. Okay. Oh, very 좋아. There you are. The canopy won that round. Look at what we made, son. Mom's going to love this.
It's perfect for her.
Let's give Mom the best kitchen ever. With a view of fish, and yeah!
Don't forget!
No worries, champ. These old clocks are tough, just like us.
Everything!
Look at this, son. It's alive again.
It's perfect. Mom's gonna cry happy tears.
What a beautiful day on the water, isn't it?
Yes, this is so sparkly.
Look at the horizon. It's magical.
Wow, so big and blue.
I'm glad we're together. You two, you really want me to jump in right now?
Trust me, Mommy, it's the best surprise ever.
Okay, let's do it. What is this?
Here we go. Darling, will you marry me? Right here, in the home we built together?
Yes, of course.
We built this home for us, for our family.